We have a question. We have to divide the polynomials. You can see here, divide x square plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 3. This x plus 3 is divisor and this one is dividend. Let's take a start and I will teach you how to divide the polynomials. So here divisor, first of all we have to write x plus 3 and this dividend right on at the middle, x square plus 5x plus 6. Divide means we have to find out quotient and remainder. Our first aim is to remove a first term. This, how many terms are here? 1 2 3 terms are here. First aim is to remove first term. X into which variable it become x squared? Definitely x into x, it will be x square. Always we have to remove first one, okay, leave it others. Plus 3 into x, 3 into x, how much we get here? 3x. So we have to write here 3x. Hope you understand up to here. Now we have to change the sign. If positive we have to write negative, if positive we have to write on negative. You can see here x square is positive. Now the sign of x square is negative, so we can cancel this. Similarly 5x minus 3x, these two are like terms, so we have to subtract 5x minus 3x. Sign of this 3 is minus, not plus. Change the sign. 5 minus 3 is 2, so we have to write here 2x. Now remaining here is plus 6, so write on plus 6. Now here is positive. You can see here in front of 2, here is positive, so we have to write plus. If here negative, we have to write on minus here, okay. Now x into which number? It will be 2x. Our aim is to remove first one. X into which number? It will be 2x. Definitely 2. 2 into x, it will be 2x. Plus we have to write 2 into 3, it will be 6. Now we have to change the sign. If positive we have to write negative, if positive we have to write negative. This two cancel, one positive, one other negative. You can see here 6 and 6 also cancel, is 0. Therefore qx means quotient. How much we get here? X plus 2. So write on x plus 2 and rx means remainder is equal to 0. Hope you understand this division of polynomial. If you understand, please hit the like button, and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any question, you can send me on Facebook page or Facebook group, which is already mentioned in our description.